This next video is set for one fall with a 40-minute time limit. Approaching the ring first, weighing 1.2 pounds out of Kennesaw, Georgia, we have the Boxycharm Base Box. And their opponent, weighing 1.3 pounds, also out of Kennesaw, Georgia, Boxycharm Base Box. Okay, this is going to be my very first beauty beatdown, and this is exactly why I renamed my channel that from my old one, which was Time Warp Makeup. I wanted to have box battles. So, I finally got both my base boxes for Boxycharm. Well, I was going to say today. I finally got them both today. I have not opened them. I'm so excited. I hope I get that Natasha Denona funky colored palette. So we're going to go with the 1.2 pound box first. I'm going to open it. Again, you can see the seal is still there. So, we're going to see which one wins. So now, this one is my original account box. So this goes by my actual age. So 39 years old. The other box, when I did my profile, I said I was 24 years old. I just wanted to see if age makes a difference. And we do have different weighted boxes here, so I'm so excited. Okay. And good, I have my sound working. I didn't do any makeup because I wanted to see what we would get in here. Okay. Alright. A little peek. Oh, we got the card on the top, so I'm not going to look at the card yet. We're just going to dive right in, and I see a lot of packaging here. Okay, so, packaging. Okay, I do see Natasha Denona, so we'll go with that one last. But, okay, so here's the front of the card for this month, Boxycharm Sweet Treats. That is the theme. Okay, so the first thing we're going is Laura Geller Iconic Bake Sculpting Lipstick in Broadway Plum. And this says this retails for $21. Nice packaging. It's like this matte, soft plastic feeling. Ooh, okay, that is a very cool color, and also I really dig in the scaly look on that lipstick. Ooh, and it's magnetic. Neato. Neat. So this says artisan baked pigments and rich moisturizers saturate lips with a creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day. A curved bullet shape allows for single swipe application, providing long-lasting, high-impact wear. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to grab is this long tube, and this is Mally Ever Color Shadow Stick Extra Velvet. That was long. So this retails for $25. It says these shadow sticks are the queens of multitasking. Stay looking fierce from the minute you put them on until you take them off. It's your primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and brush all in one. What? These customizable shadows will cover, sculpt, and line eyes. Easily blend for a sheer wash of color or layer for more intensity. You can even use them as a beautiful smudgy eyeliner for a smoldering, smoky eye, so it's super easy to go from day to night. Okay, well, let's see what... yeah, no, I don't think so. What? That's just beige. That's... Okay, that's ridiculous. That's what that is. Okay, the next thing, Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow Highlight Palette. Packaging. This retails for $15. Let us see what is inside here. So it's in a little box, and then we have bubble wrap. Can't open it. There we go. Little plastic thing flew out. Ooh. Okay. That's a little interesting. Like, I like the look of the top two. The bottom two were kind of meh. So I'm not even going to touch that. I will probably throw that into the giveaway pile. So I'm going to keep the bubble wrap and stick it right back in the box. Okay, so it says Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. This palette includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. The talc-free buttery formula practically melts into skin, granting a beautiful luminous look with opalescent pearls and velvet texture. The compact size makes it easy to travel with and allows for an on-the-go glow. Cool. Okay, so second to last thing I got is the Touch and So Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone-free and cooling effect. There we go. Computer. Okay, that's nice. I'm not going to open it, but I will keep that. Okay, and that says that retails for $32. It says, lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone-free with water-capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Okay. And the last thing, Natasha done? No. Okay. Okay. Exciting. Okay, we're gonna look together. Oh. Sad panda. I wanted the Jubilee one. Okay. So this retails for $48. And this is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra-pigmented, neutral, cool tone shades and a range of muted browns with a touch of sparkling metal, green, tourmaline. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's a perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic looks as well as evening looks with super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free, and allergen-free. Okay, I got one chance left. So, yeah, that's sad. I won't keep that. I'm not keeping the highlighter either. This shadow stick can fuck right up. So really, I'm really only excited about keeping the lipstick, but again, I can't even use that. Then I got the primer, so at least that's something I can try. That box? She's not doing well. Gotta clean my room. Anyways, okay, so now we're going with the 1.3 pound box. This is the one where I say I am 24 years old in my profile. So, you know what, I'm gonna move this other box out of the way so I can sit this one down. Okay, opening this up together. Okay, a little peek on the inside. So we do have a card, so that's great. Oh, I see another Natasha Denona. Okay. Oh no. I am not liking the look of this. Okay. First thing I'm grabbing is this big old tube. Terre de Mars 008 Radition Body Cleanser. This is an organic, low-foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together, they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. And this retails for $22. Let's see. Oh, it does not have a safety seal. It has a very... It's kind of like a florally scent, so I'm not so sure about that. Anyways. Okay, the next thing is in a box. And this is Tinted Moisturizer from Studio Makeup, formulated with hyaluronic acid. And this says, it is a tinted moisturizer with light to medium coverage, formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits with light rate coverage and a glowy look. And this retails for $35. Shake well. Interesting. Tinted moisturizer. By the way, like my little earrings, oh my god, they're so cute. I just got them at Target today. Tinted moisturizer. Was this my choice? I don't remember. Well, that did not have a safety seal. Came right out on my hand. And it doesn't, does it say like a color? It doesn't really say a color. It smells like coconuts. That's funny. Yeah, it kind of smells like suntan lotion, but dissolved right in my hand. It's definitely sheer. Okay, well that's kind of cool, I guess. And that says Boxycharm exclusive. Okay, so then we have a next thing. It's a box, but it's in a little plastic thing. So this is Alloy's Gel Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. Good thing I have scissors. Okay, wow. That is a sparkly boy. Look at you. Okay, what does this say? This says, Get Gleaming Body Glow. This is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra-sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. This retails for $38. Oh, wow, that is sparkly. Put it right on top of that moisturizer. I mean, yeah, kind of looks glowy. I don't know if you can really see that on screen, but okay. Well, I guess that's cool. Oh, look at you. You're hiding something. Use code Boxycharm for 20% off your entire order. At least that one doesn't have an expiration date. Okie dokie. Okay, second to last thing. I got eyelashes. So this says Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics Monarch Lash Pack. Whether you're just transitioning into makeup or simply seeking an everyday comfortable glam lash, Baby Girl and Charmer are the perfect duo. Baby Girl is an angled lash perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect. Charmer is a round lash we created for an instant doll eye effect. Both are 100% silk and cruelty-free. Apply your favorite pair with the lash applicator included in your kit. So this retails for $38, but they do not give you eyelash glue. Okay. Okay. I think this has the same name as the first one. Ew. Oh, I'm so upset. Why would you send me this shit, Boxycharm? What the fuck is this? I should destroy this. This should be my next destruction video. I should destroy both of these. Unless anyone got the Jubilee palette and wants to trade. I want the Jubilee palette. I want the fucking Easter Natasha Denota palette. God damn it. Okay. Anyways. I don't even really have anything I can try. I guess this is definitely not going past the time limit I set. So, out of this stuff, well, I would use eyelashes, even though I do have a lot. I will use this Tinted Moisturizer. I won't use this glowy stuff. I'm not sure about the body cleanser, but that's an unsure thing. So this box is actually the winner. Yes, this box is the winner. Which one was this one? This was the 1.3 pound. This was the younger box. Wow, that's okay. Sad. Yeah, this is a sad day. I'm super sad. This is, you suck. Okay, so I'm waiting on my premium Boxycharm box. So hopefully that one saves the day because nah. Anyways, let me know which box you liked better. I feel like the box that was for my actual age should have been for like the younger age, all things considered. But yeah, let me know down below which one you preferred. If you watched this far, write the word boss in the comments somehow. And yeah, I hope we'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Again, get back to me if you got that Jubilee palette. I really want to trade and or buy it off of you. Okay, bye.